भाई दिल्ली तो पूरा वॉर जोन निकला।
दिल्ली सारी दिल्ली घर है यार।
Give me life, give me peace, give me energy and give me freedom.
Delhi, very jaan.
Delhi is the place where you used to start the day haggling with auto walas and end it the same way.
Graduation, post graduation, सब मस्ती आवागी दोस्त सब यहीं था।
As a South Indian, I think if you visit Delhi, you'd say sakat hot maga.
Hi, I'm Parnashri. I'm from Delhi. I'm a city intern for best internship ever.
When I came to Delhi and it just felt different.
I think it's one of those few places where the most feeblest of voices finds a space to survive and thrive.
The completely insane, diverse culture to the crowded streets to the enthusiastic people.
After coming from Rajasthan, there was so much serenity here, and boom, we go into this energy box called New Delhi.
We went to Jama Masjid and silhouetted against the sunset. It felt like it was a whole 90s sunset. 90s for me was a very laid back time. There were not so many thoughts or so many questions in my head.
Old Delhi. I have been to Old Delhi like many times, but this time we were on a cycle and we explored the lanes of Old Delhi, and it was entirely different experience because it felt like I'm living in a Delhi that once existed.
I think the best part about Delhi is you have a part where it's complete chaos and there's a part which is so much in order.
My fellow mates, my fellow interns who were not from Delhi were pretty amazed, especially Shivani and Umesh, because they're from South India and it's a pretty subtle place compared to what Delhi is.
It's one place that teaches you things.
And the whole feeling at that time was it was just very different.
So it was very late in the night when we reached Amritsar, but nonetheless, despite the odd hour, thanks to Holiday IQ, we managed to find this amazing, nice place called Prem's Paradise. Very, very nice ambience, super warm people, beautiful people, efficient staff, and the food, great food. So I think yes, they really deserve every bit of a good review.
Amritsar was a beautiful place, the smoothest of lassis and the sweetest of people.
Amritsar. I've never been to Amritsar, but हमेशा एक वो रहता है ना, there are certain places वो must visit वाली list में रहते हैं. It was in that.
Amritsar, unlike Delhi, it's like you have the peaceful environment between the chaos.
There's a certain kind of, I must say, cosmic love in the air.
We went to Golden Temple. Golden Temple में the voluntary service concept was amazing. I really dug that.
Golden Temple. I mean, words will not suffice if I were to tell you how I was feeling at that time. It was a very surreal experience.
The Golden Temple is like the symbol of peace, You go there, you don't have to meditate or anything of that sort. You just go sit there next to the Sarovar. You feel the whole calmness around.
The whole atmosphere, the people who came there and everything was so they were so loving. There was so much of faith in their hearts and faith in their eyes, which I could see.
One interesting thing about Amritsar was the heritage walk that we did, where we actually saw some places that were of a lot of importance at that time and are now in a state, where people just walk around without even looking at them. And seeing those places was a different feeling.
The other part of Amritsar where you see Jallianwala Bagh, it seems so calm now. You have all these bullet marks and you have the well and everything. As you get closer, you feel a different kind of vibe that's coming from the place.
भाई वहाँ के खाना खा के ना lip smacking food. Overall दिल्ली अमृतसर feel आ गई bro.